Nothing ang ating score as you can see that the errors have been minimized by San Sebastian, but still look at the block points coming from Lasal Dasmariñas.
That's right. That's 4 block points, all courtesy of Desengaño.
All, huh?
All courtesy of Desengaño. She has been very effective at the front of the net. So what we can see here is where the De La Salle University Dasmariñas has been more in advantage compared to San Sebastian. They have been more consistent with the serve. They have been consistent at the block, and they managed to get more attack points this time here in set number 2 as compared to set number 1.
Lea Mojo is seeing her first action ngayon. Para sa Koponan ng San Sebastian, bumubunot na talaga ito si Coach Clint Malazo, looking for that combination as Roses barely stayed behind the line. Chanko, ito na naman, simulang mahabang rally. Boli ends it.
That goes off the block. Boli now with 13 points, 12 points from attack and 1 service ace.
Pero quiet points there coming from Boli in this game. Lea Mojo. Desengaño and nakadali ng adlip doon itong si Nunag.
And once again, Noel, it has been that same spot in the middle.
Right.
Dun sa defense ng San Sebastian. Kanina pa actually nakakapunto si Nunag dun eh. Minsan drop ball nga lang eh, di ba?
At saka tinataon din ng Lasal na wala si May Crisostomo dun sa harapan when they do that attack, and it's been getting them points. Kasi pag nandiyan si May Crisostomo, hindi nila magagawa yan. But now Crisostomo has actually been shuffling in and out more than we've seen any libero, as we've thank our friends from Shakey's. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Again, that is a strategy kung kailan kagagamit ng libero at kung kailan hindi.
I think at this point she went out because she will be replacing Ara Malyari after this third.
Right. But again, yung absence ni May Crisostomo nets another point for Dasmariñas. And here is Cherry Rose Nunag. Again, big shoes to fill. Dalawa lang pwedeng kombinasyon, Cherry at saka Rose. Nagkataon pa Cherry Rose yung nilagay doon. As another point is scored here of Bembo. So 3-2 San Sebastian. San Sebastian with 1 win and 2 losses. The 1 win na nakuha pa nila, talagang pinaghirapan pa nila yon.
That was against
Perpetual.
Perpetual.
And here is the attack. Oh, check that. That was against Letran, actually. And another point here for Boli.
Boli hits the corner.
So 4-2. That was actually a 4-set win that nakuha nila against Letran. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Boli.
The jump serve.
A good reception there, to say the least. Oh, Labiano turned back there by Yari Yonko. Isa pa yan. Yari Yonko had a great start to this match. Medyo tumahimik na since, pero yung depensa niya nandun pa rin. Look at it.
And we now have, that was a good block there. Talagang bantay na bantay.
Okay, now Gretchen Soltones isusugal na rito with the injured ankle. She is in the game for the first time. Soltones, one of the rising stars dito sa Koponan ng San Sebastian Lady Stags. And I think her presence should inspire the team. Playing with that injury. Pero nakakuha pa rin ng puntos itong Lasal Dasmariñas. So Soltones in the game. This is the first game she's played since the first game ng San Sebastian against Ateneo.
That goes outside. Good judgment there. Just to let it go.
There's you saw a glimpse there of Gretchen Soltones. Now Trisha Crisostomo.
Good serve.
Yonko, Chanko. Parang law firm, ano?
Oo nga eh. Mali mo yun.
Oh, there. See? Gretchen Soltones. Nagparamdam ka agad.
1 point right away for Soltones.
Oh, pwede mo nga sabihin ito yung mga heir apparents na, di ba? Si Labiano, yung papalit kay Joy Benito. Ito si Soltones, yung bagong Luan Latigay nila. Oh. Manzano with the left hand and she scores. Kumakapit pa rin ang Lasal Dasmariñas. They're only down by 1 here in the third set. Yarionko.
Good serve.
Crisostomo now, running attack. Sue Roses again. Ang taas ng percentage niyan.
You would almost consider it already a point pag nabigyan siya ng running hit.
Now Roses nasa likod, serving. Great serve. Manzano across. Crisostomo. Soltones.
Soltones, but that was outside, too wide.
So 7-6, pero you like what you're seeing here from Gretchen Soltones despite the injury. Ito ngayon si Jen Manzano.
Defense! Block tayo, block!
Serve is good.
Crisostomo. Soltones nasa kabila naman. And there is Desangaño again.
Desangaño really very busy at the net.
And very busy protecting her ponytail. Kanina pa nila hinihila yan. Pinaghirapan niya yung hairstyle niya ngayon. Kanina pa pinupuntir yan ng mga kakampi niya. Tied at 7. Crisostomo. Bowley from behind the line.
And where did that come from?
Grabe.
Bilis ng bole.
8-7 San Sebastian. We have a close one here in set number 3.